Hey guys, I'm Saurav. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share a small trick with you that I've actually learned recently and I've been using quite recently in my videos. Now the trick is to use tripod as a slider. Now how do I do this and what are the tips to get better videos? I'll be sharing that in this video. I'm very excited. Hope you are too. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The idea of the trick is to move your tripod to create slider-like movements. All the sample videos you're seeing in this video is shot with a simple tripod and a camera mounted to it. I use both my hands for creating these tripod movements. I use my left hand for the movement and I use my right hand for actually controlling and stabilizing the movement. So there are basically two kinds of movements. One is simple and one is complex. Now what do I mean by that? Let me explain. So basically there are actually four types of movements. One is the sideways, one is where you move forward or backward. Now this comes under the simple category where you just have to use one hand and other hand just for stabilizing. But things starts to get interesting when you use both the hands for creating the movements. So as you can see, I'm creating a circle of movement. I'm using both my hands, I'm holding both the legs of the tripod and I'm moving the tripod in a circular motion with the center being the third leg of the tripod. And the advantage of the tripod is you get a lot of flexibility. If you're using a slider, you're stuck with a one-way motion. But when you're using a tripod, just with a little bit of practice, you can actually get very interesting movements. You can also combine these movements to make it look much more interesting. One additional tip is, if your camera shoots slow motion, try shooting in slow motion and then you can use speed ramping to make it look even more interesting. I shot this video at 120 FPS and I used speed ramping and now the video looks slightly more interesting than a static shot with no movement. So even though you don't have a slider, you can still create very interesting looking videos. This was a short video guys, but I hope you enjoyed the trick and you will use it in your videos. Let me know if you liked the video, and if you did, press the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.